bells ring and jingle bells ring, snowing and blowing, that bushels of fun. Now the jingle hop.
Hi you guys. I'm so rude because the beginning of this clip I was putting on my groceries, but I didn't even speak to you guys. And my phone is very, very bright right now. Yeah. So, what you say? Do you have homework? Oh, I said clean up your bathroom. Well, what's your chores today? Oh, well, yeah, clean up the bathroom. So, yeah, the beginning of this clip, I was putting on my groceries and just like showing you guys like little stuff. I don't really remember exactly what I showed y'all. But, yeah, I didn't even like get on camera and speak to y'all before I just started recording. So, yeah, that's what I'm doing now. Yeah, today was so eventful. Sorry, my background is kind of like junky. Yeah, so as y'all can see, like I said, I work from home 3 days out the week now, and I don't know if I want to get a computer table or get like a regular table and put my computer and my monitor, my laptop and my monitor on my vanity. That's probably gonna go like right in front of my window so I can have great lighting from when I'm filming. Or I don't know if I want to get like a computer table to go in my living room. Like, the way this apartment is set up, it's a lot. It's a lot. Like, it's hard to decide where everything should go. Because, let me turn this way. So, for my bed, of course my bed is going to be where it's at. But I'm going to get like a taller headboard to go like halfway up the wall. Then I'm going to get 2 nightstands to go on both sides. And then I'm also going to get 2 mirrors to go right above the nightstands. And then I want like probably like small little lamps to go on top of the nightstands. And then like I said, I want either a table or like a vanity setup. Then in that corner right there, I want something right there too. I don't know what exactly. Then of course my TV is going to continue to stay right there. But I'm also going to get like a dresser to go on that wall. I want to put my TV on top of the dresser. And yeah. I don't want my room to be like really jam packed, but I also want it to look complete. And then right where you guys are, I probably have a tall mirror because I have this wall between my closet and my bathroom, and it's big enough for like a very tall mirror to go right here, because I don't want to put anything, because if somebody's walking outside of my bathroom or outside of my closet, they might bump into something. Yes. Okay, can you finish your homework and then I'll check it afterwards? Okay, so why you... But yeah, you guys, that's my thoughts on decorating. I'm about to like tidy up my room. Let me show y'all these headphones. These are not headphones, child. These earmuffs I bought today, like my best friend, she has some, and I just so happened to be in the beauty supply store today because I didn't have any more olive oil gel to do my daughter's hair in the morning, so I had to pick up some. And then I seen these earmuffs because I don't like to wear hats unless I have my hair down. So yeah, picked up these earmuffs, and aren't they cute? And like I said, I got them out of the beauty supply store. But this is what they look like. Super duper big, honey. Oh, and if you guys are looking at my hair and wondering, you know, wondering like what hair is that, I got this style from Summerella. Yeah, I probably like insert like a picture on the screen so you guys can see exactly my inspiration for this hair. If you guys were wondering if it was my natural hair, it is not, but it does look pretty good. I will also be uploading a video on the details of this hair, just in case you guys want to pick it up for yourselves. So yeah, it probably be a double upload. Once you see this little mini vlog, I'll probably upload the video about this hair as well. It's around probably 6:30 right now. All I'm about to do is make sure my kids eat. I'm about to set up my laptop because I just have my monitor set up right now. I have to set up my laptop because I have to work in the morning. And yeah, because on Mondays and Tuesdays I have to take my laptop to work. So, because I have to go inside the office. But I was actually off today. So, but since I went in on Monday, I haven't set it up. I haven't set it up. I actually went to get my car maintenance today, and basically I have to wait until Thursday to get it fixed. And yeah, that's just a whole lot. Like if you have a car and you have had repair issues, like you know exactly how I'm feeling right now, but luckily I'm able to get it fixed, so I am grateful and thankful for that. And yeah, like I said, I'm about to clean up my room. I do have, because I had one box. Let me show y'all. So, I have this dye. This is the, this is the L'Oreal High Color Highlights. So yeah, I have this in the color magenta. Then I also have it in the color red as well. I'm thinking about coloring this hair along with my natural hair because this is sewed in, so I can't like get it wet. I don't know if I decide to do that, which probably won't be today. Sorry, my phone is bright. I'm looking extremely bright today. Probably because I don't have any makeup. I don't know. And you can see like this huge pimple on my chin. But anyway, yeah, I'm thinking about dyeing my natural hair magenta and red because I don't want it to be too bright, but I want it to be bright enough where I walk in the room and you be like, dang, her hair is bright. Yeah. I just want to try something different going into the new year. and for my birthday, which is January 28th. So yeah, I've been thinking about it, but I honestly don't want to do too much damage to my natural hair because I already have put in the texturizer. So, but I don't plan to put another texturizer in my hair probably for like another year. So yeah, I don't know. Let me show you guys these lashes I bought as well. Well, not necessarily bought because I've been had these, but these are the ones that I've been wearing. They are the IMV 3D collection in the style 108, and they only cost $2.99, so like $3. And these are so natural and cute, honey. They're considered to be a 3D type of lash because they got like the double layers and they're very lightweight. So yeah, if you want like an everyday lash, be sure to check those out. I'm not sure exactly what I have on right now, but I'm really not feeling these. And these are like 2 lashes on 1. And just so you guys know, I only wear strips. So yeah, I think this vlog is probably boring to some, and yeah, because I didn't vlog throughout the day. Like, I was extremely busy, like I said, like dealing with my car, and off days are not really off days for us parents. Like, I mean, really for anybody, like because you have to find time to do, you know, get things done. You can only really sometimes do it on your off days. So yeah, I was off today, but I wasn't off today. So yeah, I'm sorry, you guys, that I didn't vlog the entire day, but I hope you guys at least appreciate the fact that I'm trying to vlog. I do appreciate you guys watching my videos. I see you guys really enjoyed the Texlax video. I'm gonna try to push out more natural hair videos because I see that you guys are enjoying that as well. So I'm going to be trying to I'm going to try to cater more to my natural hair, and we are going to possibly see results on my channel. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to thumbs it up. Don't forget to comment and subscribe to my channel. Please turn your post notifications on, and don't forget to work, pray, and slay because Paris taught you. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Toodles.